Greenstalk. If you're not familiar with the Greenstalk, I'll leave a link down below in the description box and you can go look that up. It's quite pricey. It does come with some type of watering system in it, and it comes with 5, the one that I was looking at comes with 5 containers that are quite like this, and they stack 5 high. It is quite pricey, and we're gonna build a greenhouse this spring, and I don't want to buy those Greenstalks for the price that they're asking. Like, there's one on there that I've been looking at. It's $156. And so I went to Dollar Tree, and when I was there, they were unboxing all of their spring collection of stuff. And at the Dollar Tree, they had these stackable 3-tier planters. So I bought 24 of them because I want to have a stack of 6 and have 4 stacks. So I have one put together here. I will show you. This is a much more affordable way to have this stack system than buying the Greenstalk, which is quite expensive. Eventually, maybe somewhere way down the road, we might buy one of those. I know I see a lot of people on YouTube that have gardens or homesteads or whatever, and they have these Greenstalks, and I'm just not ready to spend that kind of money on them yet. So I'll show you the one that I have put together. It's right here. So you can see this is stacked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. So I want to do these in stacks of 6. So you can see how tall that would be. I want to do them in stacks of 6. And for drainage, they have little holes in the bottom that you just poke out. Just poke those little holes out for drainage. And I picked up this at Dollar Tree because I need something for when the water drains, when I water this stackable container. I needed something to catch the water when it drains. So while I was at Dollar Tree, I was wandering around trying to figure out exactly what I could use. This is an oil change pan, a drain pan. These are 14 inches around, and this pan fits perfectly underneath this stackable planting system. So what I'm going to do is this. Let me set this on the floor. I don't want to use all of my soil. To begin with, I filled up this one. And I filled it up with soil, and there was soil in the middle. But when you stack the next one on top of this, you can't get to this part of the planter. So it seems silly to waste the soil in the center of this when I'm only going to be planting in these 3, I guess cells you would call it, or these 3 pots. So my idea was, and you guys can leave a comment down below if you have a better idea for me to try, But what I want to do is move this soil from the center, leave the center of this open, and just wad up a basic piece of aluminum foil, stick that in the center of it, and then that will keep the soil from going into the middle and keep it up here. Now, of course, I need to reshape this and make it a better shape, but this is what my plan is. I'm going to shape this to fit in the center here, and then I'll have 3 pots to plant in, because when this is stacked, when this one goes on top of this one, you can see that you can't get to that inside piece. So instead of wasting the dirt or my potting soil on the inside, on that inside piece, I'm going to block that off and then go ahead and not have dirt in it, because I just don't see a reason to waste the dirt in the center. So I'm going to get busy filling these with dirt and get them all stacked up, and I'll show you what it looks like once it is all finished. I am almost done with my second stack of 6. I'm just taking a piece of aluminum foil and crunching it, sticking it in the center of that, just like that. And then I am scooping in the soil. Now, if you're curious about the soil and how much it takes, each one of these pots, each section of the pot takes 3.5 cups of soil to fill. Up to the line right there. It takes 3.5 cups to fill it up like that. Now, the reason that I'm doing this, I don't know if I explained clearly, but the reason that I'm doing this is because we lost our greenhouse in a windstorm. I've said that in several videos now, but we lost our greenhouse in a windstorm, and so and then I'm just going to tap it down like that to settle the dirt. So what I'm going to do is use some of the fabric from our greenhouse that got all messed up. I'm going to use that to make kind of a makeshift greenhouse outside just for the time being, to use until we can get our new greenhouse built. But the reason that I'm doing it in these pots like this, vertical, is because I want to be able to have enough room for quite a few seeds to start in here, and I just don't have the shelf space for the flat cell containers that you normally would use for planting your seeds in. I don't have enough space to sit those around inside the house or inside this canning room. I don't have enough space for that. So that's what got me looking into the Greenstalk, and I knew that I didn't want to spend that money on a Greenstalk when I knew that we were going to be building a greenhouse here pretty soon, and I just figured that I would use these. And when these are done and I have the seeds transplanted out into the garden, I will definitely reuse these outside on my porch to plant beautiful flowers or something. I'll use these again. So I have 4 stacks of 6. They are inside a oil drain pan. I used aluminum foil to make a little ball in the center so we're not wasting our soil. And I used 3/4 of a bag of soil. Now this soil is a 1 cubic foot bag of soil. I used 3/4 of the bag for this set of 6. There's a set of 6 right there. And for my set of 6 of the 3-inch pots, the little 3-inch pots. So that's what I used for that. And let's see, I think that's it. I have enough soil to fill 2 or 3 more individual containers. So I think I'm gonna wait on that until I get some more soil, which I'll go and do today. I'll get another bag of soil, and then I will keep filling these up and keep getting those ready. I have to look on my calendar, but I know I have seeds that need to be started today. So whatever that is that's on my calendar will go in this. I'll show you, I have a ton. I have 90 eggplants growing here, 90 eggplant seedlings. And what I did is I planted these seedlings in lunch bags because I can just plant the whole bag because it's already decomposing as it is. But I just filled it with soil and have it sitting in these trays. And I put plastic on top of my countertop to catch the water. These I only water with a little mister because I don't want to overwater them. So I just use this pump mister. We picked this up at Tractor Supply. So you just pump it, and then you can just mist your plants. I have some apple tree cuttings in here that I've planted that I'm watering, and this spout is nice because I can just adjust it to water the apple trees. And then I have my chicken fodder that gets misted, and then all of these eggplants. So I just use this for watering in here. That's what I did for these planters, and I'm really super excited to use them. I think it will be easy to mist the seeds and then the seedlings as they come up with this, and they'll be easy to carry. We have a deck on the back of the house, and well, actually the deck goes all the way around 3 sides of the house. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 sides of the house. So it'll be easy for me to carry these out and let them sit in the sun when we have a sunny day. It's been raining here forever. So it'll be easy to move these in and outdoors when I need to. And I'll keep you updated on how the stuff is growing and what it looks like as it's growing and all of that. So I hope that this encourages you to plant something, even if you have only a tiny little patio to grow on. This could be 18 plants that you could grow right on your patio in these little containers that stack. I really do like them, and I'm excited to see how this works out. But I hope that it encourages you to buy yourself some and plant your favorite stuff in it for you and your family. And if you do, please come back to the comments and tell me what you did and how you arranged yours and what you put in the center, or if you use the dirt in the center or whatever. Tell me how you did yours, and let's share our ideas so we all can learn from it. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.